Hi, good morning, good evening, everyone. Here we'll be demonstrating what we have developed in the hackathon, and it is related to e-commerce, headless commerce, the domain that we have in our, I would say, domain for the hackathons that we have given. Generative AI and headless commerce, we have picked these two for our product. And let's move forward to the visualization and what we want to achieve, what's the solution, and what's the idea, or I would say the problem. Okay, so the problem statement is when someone went to shop online, they have a specific product in their mind. They want that particular product, and for that they have to search a lot. They have to go into multiple categories, multiple vendors if they are on an online marketplace, or they have to be specific with the names or with the colors and everything. So these are the, and in every e-commerce, there are more than 20,000 as a minimum, I would say, minimum 20,000 products in an e-commerce. So what we have done for this problem statement is we developed a search using generative AI and in an e-commerce platform. And what we did is we trained our products with different attributes of products. Like if I say semantic, by using semantic analysis, we found out that these are the attributes that are, I would say, easy, or the keywords. If we pick from the SEO, what we do on in SEO, we use keywords, and by that it goes and search for you on Google, right? So what we did is we created attributes, the basic attributes, or for the products, different for different products, a generalized attributes uh, inner backend. So for the solution is that we take input from the user, and we take it to our trained model, and what it does, it searches with different, like I typed uh clothes, or sorry, furniture. I want Italian furniture for my bedroom. So what type of Italian furniture? I will write Italian furniture, like with using oak as a wooden category, or I want it to be a single bed or double bed or something like that. I'll write that in the search box. It will take the natural processing language, go to uh, our AI model, and it will search based on those, and then pick everything related to that, and narrow your results based on what you will like and what you have searched, the keywords and everything, and then it will return that back to you. It will minimize all the things. It require more attributes to make the model, uh, to train the model, I would say, and to move forward with uh, the products. So this is the basic high level, I would say, uh, scenario for our solution. So we rank them, we personalize them based on your usage or your search or your age, what you are looking for, or what is your idea, what you have input, what you have given us. So let's move forward to the dashboards. And first is our Magento. We have used Magento as a backend, and Vue storefront for our headless front end, and Pinecone, using Pinecone is a vector DB. So we used it for to save our results, and to and what we have trained into our AI. So we have used Chat GPT AI model to train our products and return that the results to our Pinecone DB. So this is our Pinecone DB. It's a vector database, and we have trained 25 results till now, products and multiple results we have. As we start searching, it will gradually increases and get trained more. We will give him more attributes to search for, to search in, and show us the results. So we have used Pinecone. If I go to products, so we have these number of products we have used in our project. We have used shoes, and if I go to edit any, so I'll show you the attributes that we have created. So here are shoes, New Balance Men Fresh, home. So what we did, we added occasion, we added color, we added brand, we added type, with which type of this. So we added these type of attributes in our product. So based on that, we'll get the results and it will work accordingly. So if I go to categories, we have created one category that is shoes, and it have all the products. So we are using Magento, and Magento is an open source platform, or there is uh, a SaaS based as well, which is hosted on Magento's uh, cloud. They are also using AWS as a backend. We have placed it on GCP, and it is deployed on GCP. We have the certificate, we are using the domain. Everything is according to go live, I would say. Everything is good. If you want to change the domain, we can just it will take around 10 to 15 minutes to change the domain, and we are good. No issues with that. It is on PHP. We are using PHP 8.0. 8.1, sorry, and this is the backend. It's open source, so we can develop any module. We can customize as much as we want, with respect to the limitations, and there are less limitations as compared to others because it is open source and we have all the files and everything in our hand, so no issues with that. And for the storefront, we have deployed it on GCP as well and bought a domain. For that, it have a local certificate. We have generated a custom one, so it doesn't have the actual SSL certificate for it. We are facing issue on the SSL certificate. So this is a view application. If I search for so it will bring you all the products related to Men or New Balance. So whatever they have, they'll search for it and they'll bring. If I search for, so those have phones attribute, they'll search for it. If I search for party ones are here as well. And if I take you to our postman, so we have two APIs. First is the open source one. When we search, we pass the data to this one. If I show over here, let's go to body, and input is this. I'll search with see what it will return. So it will return the embeddings. We are using embeddings in generative AI, ChatGPT, OpenAI's embedding. They have two different things, embedding and the other one. So we are using embedding for this fine tuning, and we are using embedding. We'll copy this and paste it here. Show the body. So it's all vectors in here, and based on these vectors, it is returning the products to us, like prod 11, prod 13, the product name, regular, and everything related to that. it will return all the results over here, and that's how we are showing it in here. Other than that, this is a Python script that we are using, and it have all the code and everything that we want. We are using Pinecone's API, OpenAPI, and CSV. We have checked, we have trained some testing data on CSV as well. And if I go to Pinecone dashboard, we have 25 attributes. If we have collection, we can create collections as well. These are the indexes. It is ready for us. And home page. This is the localhost one, and this is the one which is hosted. It is having an issue regarding the SSL certificate. We are unable to place the SSL certificate, so that is why the issue is here. And that's all. Thank you so much, everyone.